Hello guys, welcome back. Today, I'll be reviewing the best Roborock Q7 M5 Plus robot vacuum and mop cleaner. If you're looking for accurate and reliable information, watch the full video. So let's start our review today. Roborock Q7 M5 Plus is an advanced cleaning solution designed to take the hassle out of keeping your home spotless. Upgraded from the Q5 Max Plus, this powerful 2-in-1 robot vacuum and mop combines deep cleaning performance with smart navigation, providing convenience and efficiency for the modern household. Dual anti-tangle system for pet hair and carpet, Precise Sense LiDAR navigation, app control system. Key features: 7 weeks hands-free cleaning. With a 2.7L sealed dust bag, the Roborock Plus efficiently collects pet hair, dirt, and debris without the need for constant emptying. This means longer cleaning cycles and more time between maintenance, ensuring your home stays consistently clean. 10,000 pascals Hyperforce suction power. High-performance suction lifts pet hair and debris from every surface, reaching deep into carpets and along edges for a thorough clean in every pass. Dual anti-tangle design. Spend less time detangling and more time enjoying your day. The Jaw Scraper's main brush and 0% hair tangling side brush resist pet hair wrap, even from long-haired breeds. With fewer cleaning interruptions, your robot stays ready with minimal effort. Removes dust you hardly see. This advanced system combines vacuuming and mopping in one go, effectively capturing even the finest dust that traditional vacuuming may leave behind. With 3 adjustable water flow settings, you can tailor the cleaning power to meet your specific needs. Precise Sense LiDAR navigation system. Precise Sense LiDAR maps your home with precision, ensuring efficient and thorough cleaning. Its real-time mapping technology enables optimized cleaning paths, perfect for homes with pets and multiple rooms. Multiple ways to control. Take charge of your Roborock through the Roborock app and enjoy hands-free control. Whether you're relaxing at home or on the go, experience personalized and effortless cleaning without lifting a finger. Easy and effortless control with the Roborock app. Automate your cleaning routine with scheduled cleanings, start a quick spot clean when needed, set no-go zones around pet areas, and monitor progress and battery life in real time. All of these features are easily accessible from your smartphone, offering you greater convenience and control. Please note that this app supports 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi only. That was today's review. I hope you found it helpful. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content.